Okay, this review is for the Zukes mini bakes. These are chicken and cherries flavored, so let's see how Peanut likes them. Peanut, want a treat? Want a treat? Hey, sit. Circles. Circles. Yum, yum, yum. You want another one? Sit. Circles. Speak. Speak. Good girl. You like those? Huh? Okay, well, one more. Sit. Good girl. Okay, well, Peanut loves these, and I like them especially because of the ingredients. I don't know if you can see it on there. The first ingredients, ground oats, then rice, bran, chicken, cherries, potatoes. There is no filler in these at all, so they're definitely healthy, and your dog can enjoy them without any digestive problems.